My name is Sergey Lebedev. I'm from company Orient Systems, and I present brand for GNSS. Orient Systems is the Russian developer of GNSS solutions. Under the brand for GNSS, we produce modern and cost-effective GNSS solutions oriented on professional surveying, unmanned vehicles, and machine control market. Our main target: make working with GNSS easier, so that our customers spend more time for their job than for device setup or training to work with equipment. And for this, we have created some unique technologies that allow, for example, to make a full geodetic survey on any smartphone or laptop through a web interface using browser. Also, we made special algorithm for combined GNSS and MEMS, which allows to keep the trajectory of the car with decimeter accuracy for 2 minutes after the loss of satellite signals. And for areas with poor GSM signal coverage, we made a special modem that allows you to automatically select the most stable signal between different GSM operators or UHF channels, switching in less than 5 seconds. Visit our website on 4gnss.com.